definitely in investing, any investor looks forward to a return on investment. You can only reverse that with magnanimity or a totally different vision. And Your Excellency, being here demonstrates to us that you can reverse the whole issue of return on investment with magnanimity and a clear vision. And that is exactly, even with the 30% that Hesbon was talking about that you got from Omola Gar Primary School, Raymond is PS Interior. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much, Your Excellency. That is magnanimity. In the same way, Mr. President, I want to reiterate that in this region, we, in terms of the economy, either the economy is dead or is dying. What we want to place in front of you, very clearly, Your Excellency, is that don't preside over the barrier over our economic situation in this country. As a region, the Lake Basin, our economy is either dead or dying, and I want to request you, please, Your Excellency, don't preside over its total barrier. Be part of us. Let the Lake region be part of the geography of this republic, and we'll always want to be with you when that becomes part of your exercise in running this country.